We're here at Hopwood Gear in Oldham, and they've recently invested in a wire EDM, the U6 H.E.A.T Makino machine from NCMT. Now today we're going to be finding out why they purchased the machine, how the operator finds it, and we're going to get technical. So why did you purchase the Makino U6 H.E.A.T?
To be honest, it was a bit of a punt initially. We had a big backlog of work every single month with our existing technologies. So we thought, let's try and expand, try and get rid of the work a lot quicker. So yeah, we took a punt on it.
And so why this particular model?
To be fair, it was 30% quicker, 30% less wire usage, and we thought, well, we'll be making a saving. So yeah, that's what we were told it would do, and we put it to the test, and it worked.
Brilliant. And I hear that you've been challenging your ops director in using the machine when you've been off away for a week.
Well, he told me that this machine was easy to operate, so I did the training with the applications engineers, and I knew that myself and the operator were off last week, so we put him to the test. We gave him a day's training, and yeah, he performed pretty well. All week he had the machine running.
So overall, you're pretty happy with the investment, right?
Yeah, dead happy.
Right, okay, well, let's find out about how easy this machine is to use from the operator. Mikey, how are you finding the U6 H.E.A.T to use?
Yeah, it's good. It's easy. It's like touch screen. Everything's dead easy. Everything's there for you. It's just like a big mobile phone. All your program data and everything's there.
And how's the maintenance of that side of the machine?
Yeah, it's easy. You've got a little button, just tells you maintenance, and then you've got all your checklists to do. So you've got every day and every week, and you've got little videos as well that tell you. So if you're a bit stuck on what you're doing, you can play your video, pause it, look at your machine, what you're doing, and then yeah, it's all very easy.
Has it saved you any time doing all of this?
Yeah, literally I can do maintenance in about an hour, 2 hours at most, whereas my old machine was nearly a full day's pulling little bits and bats on and off, and this is just a couple things. So like your contact plate, all you've got to do is pull a little lever down, turn it out, pull it in, and that's it, changed. It's all dead easy, whereas the old machine you had to take loads of little nuts and bolts off, put them all back on, and it's just a lot harder. This is a lot easier to operate, just to run in general.
You seem very happy. Now,
yeah.
Of course, this is like the control panel side, but what about the machine, the access and everything like that? Is there any plus points over there?
Yeah, it's great. You've got a nice big door that opens up. Loads of access to the tank, loads of access to where you're working, and it's good. Easy to access everything, and just easy to work really.
So you're a very happy operator.
Absolutely.
Right, thank you. Scott, I want you to get technical on the Makino U6 H.E.A.T.
The Makino U6 H.E.A.T, we heard from Corey earlier with regards to the fact that this machine is actually capable of cutting 30% faster than he's previously been used to. The reason for this is the heat, which is high energy applied technology. High energy applied technology basically is two large flushing pumps on the side of the machine. This enables you to flush more of the debris or chips out of the way, being able to push the wire more, and then you can then start to see the increase in cutting speeds. Obviously, then giving you a reduction in the amount of wire that you're going to use.
And how does the machine do that in comparison to others? Is it the build of the machine?
Okay, yeah. I mean, with regards to the heat technology, as I've just mentioned, the reason this is possible is the rigidity of the Makino. The Makino is a very rigid machine, a very large cast. And with the rigidity of the machine, what that enables you to do is force more flushing pressure with the wire. Okay,
right.
This is where we'll be able to push the machine a little more and obviously get these increases in speed. I mean, the machine itself, where we put the wire on, you can have a 16 kilo spool on there. Now, this is not usual for what we're seeing in the market. Now, having a 16 kilo actually on the front of the machine eliminates the need for a side loader, taking up valuable space in a lot of factories. Okay, so then we can have an overnight run-in from one spool, and you know that you're going to get all of your work done.
Now, we found out how easy the control panels are. Everyone loves them.
Yeah, they do. I mean, the Hopwood control, which is a common platform throughout of the Makino range of EDM machine tools, not only on wire but also on die, sink and drill. It's very intuitive. It takes that easy to use, let's say, a lesson ramp up really, really quickly. So they can take someone that doesn't know the machine, as we mentioned with Callum, the director, or the operations director. He's managed to use it in a day, and the reason being is it uses similar to mobile phone, tablet technology. Everybody has a mobile phone, everyone has a tablet, and they're using these daily. So having this on the machine, where they can move from step to step, aids them drastically.
Any extras on the machine?
So yeah, we have a Protect plate in the bottom, which is an anti-rust feature, eliminating the need for, let's say, the chemicals that you have to put in water. Okay, these chemicals then they can then reduce the life of your filters, reduce the life of your crystals, and then you're not spending as much then on the actual process itself. I mean, the maintenance side of things on this machine stands out massively from Makino. So we're taking processes that are normally, as you heard from Mikey earlier, these are our processes. We've actually had people do these in seconds. Now it's not only now about, let's say, the cutting speeds, it's also about how much downtime is associated with these procedures. And if it's down, it's not making you money. So you want it up and running quickly to let's go straight through.
So if someone is interested in the Makino U6 H.E.A.T, I assume they get in touch with yourself?
Absolutely. I mean, we'd love people to come and have a look at the machine. Obviously, take a look at what we can do, and at the end of the day, the results speak for themselves.